Good morning to all my awesome friends. So glad you're here for prepping the pantry and the emergency food. Now, we do this every Friday. This video can go up anytime on Friday. Please join us. And if you don't want to join in, just see what everyone's picking up and how we're all grocery shopping a little different and buying food that we like and how we're going to prepare it. So I'm going to do this video on Friday and I do a cooking videos on Wednesday. So if any of you are interested in joining in on either of these, please come and join in. Just use the hashtag prepping the pantry, hashtag emergency food. And you can buy anything, talk about anything to do with food and your shopping. We would love to have you. This video I'm shooting right now is the last post I put up. And I'm just sharing with you, this is something we do all the time. Now, I'm going to share my wonderful co-hostess with you, crazy but not dangerous. Here's my awesome co-hostess. So I hope you go over and check out her channel. She is so creative and comes up with a lot of great recipes on her channel. And she joins in with us every week. So go over and see what she picked up this week for her grocery shopping and how much she spent. Also, don't forget to go over and check out all her wonderful budget meals and all the wonderful things she comes up on her channel. She is so creative in the kitchen and an awesome friend. If you want a great friend that's going to give you love and support back, this is the one for you. And if you want to get some great recipes, she will blow your mind, all the wonderful creative recipes she comes up with. And let's go see what Grandma did this week. Hi to all my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by for Prepping the Pantry and Emergency Food. We do this every Friday. Anytime you'd like to join in, feel free to do so. If you just want to come over and watch, that's fine too. Every week, my grocery hauls will be different. Some weeks I'll buy quite a bit, and some weeks I just buy a little. This week, it was just a little I bought. Let's start with the black seedless grapes that my husband liked. I just got a little bit of fruit and didn't buy too much because there was quite a bit of food still here. So every week will be a little different, like I said, but we always need fresh fruits and vegetables and, of course, bread. And I also bought some ice cream sandwiches. These were very inexpensive, and it's just something nice to go in and get a little treat and not be spending a lot of money. And, of course, the bananas are always great, too. And of course, I always need fresh fruits and vegetables. And here's some lettuce. I got some tomatoes, a lemon, some beautiful red pears. They are so good. An avocado, some potatoes. I have some regular potatoes still here, but I thought these would give us something a little interesting and quick to make a meal out of. And I'll be sharing some quick, easy meals on next Wednesday. Every Wednesday is Budget Meal Wednesday. And I, of course, got some tomatoes. I have some tomatoes ripening up on the vine, but they weren't quite ready to eat. And I bought some little tiny ones to give more color in my salads. And, of course, some green onions, just one package, and that'll be enough for us for the whole week. There's just me and Grandpa here, so there's only two. I don't need massive amounts of food. I did stock up on some beans, and these are some tissues. It's cold season, and I thought this Halloween theme box would be great also. And isn't it cute how they decorated the box? I'm going to try to put that in some kind of a display. I may even cut that box apart eventually and make something for next Halloween. And of course, Grandma loves getting a lot of different beans, and we'll make some bean soup and put some beans in a salad. And I got a can of chili for my husband. Could get something quick and easy to make a meal. And of course, we always need peanut butter Oreo cookies, something for a wonderful treat. Like I said, I didn't spend a lot, but I think I did pretty good to make sure we got the basic things that we need fresh every week. That's the good thing about shopping. You don't need to always buy a massive amount of food if you already have a lot. That's what's great about making sure you have a pantry full, because I can go in that pantry anytime I want and still have plenty to eat. That is the great thing about shopping like I do. And hopefully I'll get more of you to pick up something extra every week. Now, you're not going to believe this grocery bill. It was really, really cheap, under $60 for the week. And that's what I love doing, just trying to make sure that we have something to eat every week. I don't have to buy a huge amount every week. And you need to try to stay out of the store, because the more you go, the more you're going to spend. So I try not to go but just one time and pick up everything I have to have. Look at this, $50 and 74 cents. That's not a bad amount of money for a week's worth of groceries. I try to keep it at 150 or less, and sometimes that can be hard when I need a lot. I did have a savings of $2.36. I can't even believe I saved anything, because most of the stuff I buy, I just buy what I have to buy. I don't even really look for coupons. I just try to buy things that we really need and use. I'm trying to cut down a lot more on waste, because there's a lot of times I throw stuff away because I buy too much. So that's another reason why you're going to see less items on my food bill that are fresh. And I'm growing more stuff in the garden too, and we'll be incorporating what we're growing from the garden into our weekly menu too. Don't forget, on Wednesday we do budget meals under $5. Please come over. Some of the things that I bought in that will probably be in that budget meal. And I'll show how you can eat and enjoy your life more and spend less. It's important that we all learn how to do that. These days are getting harder and harder to get by, I know. But we do the best we can, and we try to keep that grocery bill as most reasonable as we can. Food prices keep going up. I cringe every time I go to the grocery store. But we can do it. We help each other, so don't forget to go over and check out Budget Meals $5 or less on Wednesday, and check out the playlist also.